Tamira is not only a single specialty aesthetic clinic, but also a learning center which helps enhance the aesthetic knowledge of doctors by providing hands on training to mold them for their futures. Today, on this fifth year of celebration, we have already launched one program and we are yet to launch another program. So, right now, with the title, we are going to launch the logo here. So, first, the title. What is the title, ma'am?
Yeah, title means the next what we're going to launch is Siksha.
Uh-huh.
So that's again, I have to give the credit to my consultant marketing, Aarti, who chose the right name. It means lesson, teaching. So the moment she spelled that name, it caught my attention and I really loved it. So let's see the logo.
Yes. So once again, a huge round of applause for Tamira Siksha. So Tamira Siksha, as you told us, it caught us too. So Tamira Siksha, what is it all about, ma'am?
Yeah, so just as I mentioned to you, before they move abroad to learn from world leaders, it's a program tailored to expose young plastic surgeons to all subspecialty of this specialty aesthetic work. So again, we are launching a portal on our website to make it transparent and easily accessible. Plastic surgeon across India can register on in this platform. And of course, we are looking forward to associate with Indian Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. Already, Dr. Rakesh Kalra has started a lot of teaching programs and training program, and they are looking at accrediting various centers so that there is some standard maintained. And so we are looking forward to that accreditation too soon. And that's what, so the plastic surgeons can upload their certification. And then based on the priorities of registration, we will choose 2 candidates every 6 months to expose them to all aspects of aesthetic work. So then they can go back and start their practice and then move abroad and train from the world leaders to put India in the forefront of aesthetic health.
Wow, what a program. So this Siksha, how long is this fellowship program, ma'am?
So it's going to be 6 months initially. So some of these fellows, if they want to be part of this institute, we will absorb them. But otherwise, they can train for 6 months. We understand the difficulties, as I mentioned, what I had to go through. So at least during the training, we will bear the cost of their basic stay, accommodation, food in Chennai,
Oh.
if they're coming from out of the city.
Superb, very nice. And the next question is who all can apply to this fellowship programs, because you will have some criteria for this?
Yes, so the surgical specialty, we aim to train only plastic surgeons because that's the criteria that's going to be laid down by our society. But the non-surgical, because we will also have dermatologists on board, so they will train dermatologists as well. Cosmetic dentistry is another specialty. Dr. Vinamra Dadriwal heads that specialty, and he will be training them in cosmetic dentistry and other facial aesthetic procedures if required.
Superb. So now if any of the plastic surgeons wants to join this fellowship program, so how should they do it?
Yeah, so there is a web portal. You can see on the screen back how they can go to our website. There is a portal. They can register, upload their certificates. And once all the basic criteria is fulfilled, we will, based on the priority on which we don't choose the candidate, but when they register, every 6 months, two candidates will be absorbed in.
Great, excellent. So today, this Tamira Siksha program is going to be officially launched by all the young surgeons' favorite doctor, yes, Dr. Rakesh Kalra. So our next guest of honor, Dr. Rakesh Kalra, is the founder director of Ashirwad Hospital in Dehradun, has an experience of 28 years in aesthetic field. So he is the president of Indian Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons and assistant national secretary of International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, which is ISAPS. So during his tenure, president of Indian Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons. He has been involved in lot of educational activities during the pandemic. So he has been conducting a lot of training programs for young plastic surgeons under the institute initiative of Aesthetic Padashala. So Aesthetic Padashala, where renowned national and international plastic surgeons speak every Thursday through a live webinar. So we welcome you, sir, with a huge round of applause. Let's welcome Dr. Rakesh Kalra to inaugurate and also to our this gathering.
My Guru of Gurus, Professor Venkata Swami sir, my pranam to you. Chief guest of the occasion, Dr. S. Chandrakumar, Professor K. Sridhar sir, and all other luminaries decorating this august gathering, all the staff and doctors who have been ever associated with Thamira and its proud, dynamic, energetic, simple, and down-to-earth owner, dear Dr. Jayanti Ravindran. Please accept my compliments on this occasion for having been instrumental in bringing up a center of excellence in Chennai, a city that is, in any case, always been recognized as the best city in the country for the best and the most compassionate doctors and medical centers. Almost 2 decades back, me and my wife happened to be sharing a cab trip with Dr. Jayanti in Chennai. And we were both impressed with the fire that this lady has always been recognized, with the fire that this lady, Dr. Jayanti, had in her. And it had to do something with her being going out of the way and being really different from the run-of-the-mill other plastic surgeons. So she has had that fire in her all these years, and we have seen her professional trajectory really going up and up. Our National Association of Aesthetic Surgery, which is called the Indian Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, recognizes Dr. Jayanti as an academician and a sincere doctor who practices ethically. She has a great reputation amongst all her colleagues and other plastic surgeons in the country, which by itself is a big feather in her cap. She is known as a very hard-working person and a go-getter. She has that Midas touch in her, and anything that she touches does turn into gold. We can see the extremely beautiful, fully equipped aesthetic surgery center that she has made and nurtured. It has some of the best professionals working for it and has all the latest graduates and highly trained personnel behind these machines. Unfortunately, there has not been many good centers like this in the country yet. But the best part is that one such good center like Thamira in the country shall act as a nidus, almost a catalyst for other similar centers to spring up across the country. Other plastic surgeons shall visit this center and then they go back to their cities and try to do better than Thamira. Such a chain reaction is the need of the hour. I'm sure Thamira shall prove to be a landmark in the timeline of history of growth of cosmetic surgery in this country. It shall also become a baseline standard which the other centers shall be gauged or compared with. I also have the honor of this evening to introduce to you all and virtually inaugurate this Thamira Shiksha, which is a fellowship program devised by Team Thamira. This shall follow the budding aesthetic surgeons to visit and train at Thamira. Junior plastic surgeons find very little opportunities to learn aesthetic surgery firsthand. And the reason is that our crowded government medical colleges are somehow not able to provide the right ambience for patients seeking cosmetic surgery. Undoubtedly, therefore, only reconstructive work, congenital deformities, trauma, they reach these institutions, but not cosmetic surgery patients. So if a youngster wishes to learn cosmetic surgery, then paradoxically it becomes mandatory for them to learn this most advanced branch of surgery from gurus in the field only in the age-old traditional Indian way of learning and by going to a guru's ashram and learning there and training there. So Thamira shall offer one such ashram under its gurus, a citadel of learning and knowledge. There shall be senior cosmetic surgeons visiting the center, and the fellows shall get the opportunity to train under them. There shall be mutual exchange programs as well with other centers. The future of aesthetic surgery is going to be bright with the good work which is being done at Tamira. Tamira has also offered its services to the Indian Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons to take up fellows under its recognized fellowship programs, and we are happy to receive this offer from Dr. Jayanti and her team. Where knowledge is shared, the place becomes an ashram. Where the physician heals the unwell, the place is sacrosanct. And where the elders are respected, the place becomes a temple. Tamira, with such a spiritual combination, is a blessed place surely. God Himself is showering His blessings on this center, and we can only stand aside and see that growth which is happening. My personal best wishes to Dr. Jayanti and to all the team of doctors and staff who work with her on this occasion of the 5th anniversary of its existence. Good luck to them, and 3 cheers to Team Tamira. My pranam to my gurus in the audience, and namaskar to all. Bye-bye.